This house is situated in Herne Bay, in beautiful, leafy, quiet suburb of Auckland. This home had a lot of personal history for the family. It belonged to their mother, so it was really special. They grew up here essentially. She passed away and they decided to sort of restore it in her honour. One of the biggest parts of the vision and the brief was connection. So with the bathroom, I was shown this rose quartz crystal. And so that was sort of the brief, and that represents love and warmth and connection. So the best way I thought to interpret that was through a natural stone. I found this beautiful, it's called Yangtze peach marble, and we leathered it so you sort of want to run your fingers over the texture. So that natural stone really ranges from, you know, dusky pinks through to peach, and it's also got greys in it. So while it reads as a colour, it's very soft and natural. And then we've teamed it with cabinetry, and that's a crown cut cabinetry, but it's been lacquered with this beautiful alto effect paint. There's marble in the globe lights, just to add a bit of jewellery and warmth and to finish the space. I love the powder room, and I wanted it to almost be a big sister. So Rosso marble was the key choice. It's like a fine red wine. You walk in and it's dark and it's moody and it's definitely unexpected. Psychologically, you're really enveloped and cocooned in that room. The success of these bathrooms is redefining them almost as living spaces, as sanctuaries. It's an experience, it's a connection, it's a moment that makes you think about something. You can interpret it however you like. And I do think it reflects that brief that was, you know, more emotional than normal.